Welcome back to my channel. This is Timix Skin Glow. On this channel, we do everything skincare from simple DIYs to product reviews. And of course, I share tips and tricks with you to help you glow effortlessly. If this is your first time of stopping by this channel, you are welcome to our skincare family. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to identify the original Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. So if you always use this, if this is something you use, if this is a product you use, then kindly watch this video till the end. So you know how to identify the original next time you go to purchase your Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash, okay? Now, this product is not a whitening or a lightening product. It's just a facial wash that helps to moisturize your skin, So it's just like a moisturizer, like we have whitening lotion, moisturizing lotion. This is just a moisturizing facial wash, a gentle facial wash that will not dry out your skin or whiten your skin. So any complexion can use this, any skin type can use this as well. So in my hand here, I'm having two simple facial wash. One is original and the other is adulterated. If you are not careful, you may buy something that will spoil your skin because you don't know what ingredient is in there. You don't know what they've put in there, okay? So look at the two. If you see here, on the one on my right, here, they both have this green seal, tiny green seal you can see here, right? And on the one on my left, what you can see there is the expiration date. What they have there is the expiration date, which says it expires on the 20th of March 2028. And on the one on my right, what we have here is something like a batch number, a batch code, a batch number, which says 42061580B. And this one says EXP, which means expiring date. Of course, they both have the choose kindness for your skin, our planet, and our people. So I just want to point out some things that are actually different, okay? The whole description is the same, except for this place that has batch number and this one has expiration date. So look here. You can see the same thing is happening here. On this one, on the one on my left, it has production date, which is March 2024, 03/2024, and of course the expiring date, expiration date, which is March 03/2028. But this one, yes, what it has there is just like a code, okay, which I presume to be the batch code. Now look at the cover size. You can see the one on my right, the cover is smaller than the one on the left. Same thing as the content. This one is thicker, but this one, you can hear the sound, right? This is watery, really, really light, while this one is thick. You can't even hear the sound. Now this cover is shorter than this one. This one look bigger. This one is bigger. This one covers look bigger. And the same thing with the size of the package. Okay, one looks wider than the other. So look at it. The cover size is different. The content is different. One is lighter and the other one is thicker. Okay. So I'm just going to open it and pour it out for you to see then before I tell you which one actually it's original. So look at both of them. This one cover on the right is smaller than the one on the left. The one on the left has a bigger cover. Same thing with the size of the container. One looks wider than the other. The font also is the same thing. The font sizes, you can see it's totally not the same. Maybe you can see it. It's not the same. Okay. And at the back, you can see this one is written clearly. You can easily read everything. But this one looks tiny, looks smaller. The font size and all that, right? So let me pour it out for you to see. But before then, let's read what this product says. It says new simple moisturizing facial wash smooth and healthy looking skin, vitamin B5 plus E, okay, pro amino acid, kind to skin. And here it says PETA approved, okay, Belgian Global Animal Tested Policy. Simple does not test on animals. And this is a 150 ml size, okay? And it says 100% soap free for all skin types. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. That's the same thing we have here. But the font of this one is bolder and easier for me to read. Okay, designed with love in the UK. This product is made in the United Kingdom. Okay, so that is it. And it says how to use. Lather a small amount in your hand. Massage on wet skin. Rinse thoroughly with water. Follow with your favorite simple moisturizer. Warning, for external use only. Avoid getting into your eyes. So our special blend, which of course talks about the ingredient, it contains aqua, which is distilled water. It contains propylene glycol, sodium chloride. It contains EDTA. It contains citric acid, benzoic acid, okay, and other nice ingredients. And of course, it contains glycerin. So it's a Universal Global IP Limited for sale in Asia, Africa, Russia, and America only. So that is it. Let me just pour it out so you see the difference. And then next time you go to purchase your product, you know exactly what to get. So yes, the one on my right, actually with the smaller cover, is the original Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. So the next time you go to purchase your product, look out for this. First thing, look out for the container. Look at for the branding. The fonts are usually more pronounced. The inks are usually darker, and everything comes out really clear and easy to read. And of course, the cover is usually small. This is one thing you should know first. Look out for. The cover is usually smaller. If you see this big one, don't go for it. This is fake. This is not the original. Okay, so number one, look at the cover size. You can see it's obvious. This is smaller than the one on my left. This is the original. And also, this one is thicker. You shake it very well. This looks really, really light. You can hear the sound. This is fake. Don't go for this one. The original also has that font really clear. The wedges are clear. You can easily read it. Okay, it's really, really clear. You can see it. Even the color comes out. The color of the writings are vibrant. You can read it very well. So another thing you should notice, this one comes with a seal inside. The fake one comes with a seal. Don't be deceived by that. The seal doesn't mean it's original. Can you see? There's a seal there. It doesn't mean it's original. It's fake. So I'm going to remove it for you too. It comes with a seal. But coming with a seal does not mean it's original. This one doesn't come with a seal. If you open it, you can just pour. So let me show you now. This is a thick one, the one with the small cover. This is what your simple facial wash should look like. You can see, right? This is the mature one. So look at both of them. What do you notice? You can see this one looks thick. Like they are both jelly, but the consistency, one is a little bit thicker than the other. This one here is the original, okay? And it has a very calm fragrance, like aloe vera kind of fragrance. Look at this one. Look at it. You can see. So that is it about this video. I just wanted to share it with you. So the next time you go to purchase your simple facial wash, you can look out for certain features in the product, in the bottle, and the container, so you know what you are getting. Okay, first of all, it comes out a little bit thick, not so watery. The cover size is smaller than the other one. The fragrance is calm, gentle, like how your aloe vera gel is. And the font size also on the product, on the container, you can easily compare from here. Now you can look at both of them. Okay, so these are what to look out for, and it comes out thick, like I said already. Don't be carried away by the seal. The seal doesn't mean originality of the product. So you can actually use this as your base for pro-mixing your facial wash, for pro-mixing your whitening facial wash. You can use it because it's safe, it's mild, it's gentle, and there are no active ingredients in it. Like, you don't have treatment product, you don't have active to whiten the skin here or active to treat acne or all the stuff. It's just plain and simple moisturizer you can use. So now I'm going to share a very simple recipe with you. For this recipe, we'll be needing this one, 250 ml. Remember, this is 150 ml. So you need one of these, get another one and measure 100 ml, add to it. So we need 250 ml of our simple moisturizing facial wash as the base. And then Pimentos cleanser. Pimentos cleanser is different from the Pimentos serum. I'm going to put the picture on the screen for you. We have Pimentos serum, which is that small one. We have the Pimentos cleanser. And we also have the big Pimentos concentrate. What we need is a cleanser, so we need one of that. One 42 hours cleanser. 42 hours has the 42 hours oil, and it has a 42 hours cleanser, so we need just one of the 42 hours cleanser. And then we need Santa Day cleanser, just one of it. Okay, just one bottle. They come in small bottles. You just need one of it. And then we have the Grace cleanser. We need one as well. So get a clean bowl, wash it well, clean it dry, then spray your rubbing alcohol on it and clean with a cotton wool. Clean it very well, and the tools, everything you're going to use, your spatula. Clean well, pour in your 250 ml of this, pour in your Pimentos cleanser 1, add your 42 hours cleanser 1, and then add your Santa Day cleanser, just one bottle. They are small bottles. And then add your Grace cleanser 1. Add a few drops of your lavender essential oil. That is it. Mix very well, and then you can use it. Put your preservative. You can use Optifend Plus or liquid Jama Plus. Just mix very well, and that is it. What would you want me to talk about in my next video? Share with me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Pro-mixing means professional mixing. It means buying already made product like this and mixing them to achieve your desired skin glow. So if you want to treat acne or dark knuckles, or you want skin lightening, want to treat sunburn, redness, and you don't want to make from scratch, there are safe recipes you can work with to mix those products to achieve your skin glow. So if you want the pro-mixing ebook, send me a message via the number on your screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow Timix Skin Glow on Instagram. We're on Instagram, Facebook, Thread, TikTok. Follow Timix Skin Glow on all social media platforms. Our products are readily available for immediate delivery. Timix Skin Glow products are readily available and we deliver worldwide. Our products are really nice, super effective. You can check our pages, Facebook and Instagram page, to see reviews from our customers worldwide.